see at audiology clinic are the sales people. They are not even certified audiologists who will give hearing aid to you. So those hearing aids that are tuned also, they are not tuned properly for you to hear. There are many people wearing hearing aid, but they are not even aware what they are wearing. उनको अच्छे से बताया भी नहीं गया सर आपको कि कार्ड भी चेंज करना होता है.
Battery has to be changed.
Battery of India certificate, because that is a very mundane to practice. Anyone who don't have Rehabilitation Council of India certificate, they cannot dispense hearing aid. They are not authorized to do it. So that's one thing to be taken care of. They don't know how to tune it, and neither if ENT doctor don't have a proper audiologist with them, they cannot recommend it also. And because market में इतने ज़्यादा scam हो रहे हैं, market में कोई 1 lakh का hearing aid, ma'am, are you using hearing aid?
Yes.
You have bought it from for 1 lakh. Same hearing aid I can
You were supposed to send some. You give it for 60.
Because for Radio Club member I have decided that I will not take any profit. I will just give it to
Cost
you
to
at
cost.
my
Cost to cost.
So that's one thing that I can do for you if you have decided to go for a hearing aid. That's one thing that I can do for you. Now to come to the presentation part. Rehabilitation Council of India certificate.
We are not Radio Club member.
All of us are not radio club
No
members.
problem. Whoever
We are the guests. We are coming guests.
So what we have over here, make sure you write your name, phone number and email on that. And then you can contact her and we will make sure you get that benefit. Apart from that, we also have a lot of other things that we are organizing for this group of people. Mr. Pawan is also there. We are organizing a financial camp. We are having yoga retreats and we are going to give all of these to the people at a very low subsidized rate, and we have a lot of interesting and exciting things. In fact, on the 21st of June, we had an international yoga day also where we had it for everybody free. You had come for that. You want to just tell them in one sentence how you found it?
Very good. And
Sir,
Can we ask some questions?
yes, I will continue.
Yeah, thank you. Our salesman. But she's got the medical background, she's a doctor, she's got the medical background. And what is rare to find is somebody with the specialty and a heart. So that's why we have organized this for you all. Please continue.
So hearing aids are different, based on different kind of hearing. If you have mild hearing, it just started, so we can give you an invisible hearing aid also that just goes inside the ear, it's not visible. But if, again sir, your question, if it goes, if it gets worse with time, we cannot settle in the small hearing aid, because small hearing aid cannot connect, we cannot, any medical condition, BP or thyroid or diabetes, especially diabetes, then start taking care of your health, because that is very important, because in longer run, that diabetes will also cause hearing loss. And it starts, because diabetes medicine and diabetes itself is autotoxic. Auto means ear and toxic to the ear. To take care of your overall health, if you want to take care of your hearing, that is very important. Swallow, you can drink water, and one more thing that you can take care if you have severe hearing problem is to take care of your throat before flying. You should not have any cold or anything, because cold causes a congestion in the middle ear, and that is connected to your throat, and that congestion goes to your ear also. That causes pain. So you will notice when you have cold and then you are flying, then there will be a hearing, pain. Ear pain will be there. At that time, if you have to fly and you have a cold, then you should take Otrivin nasal drop. That is a nasal drop. You can go ENT can get. Even I know it's a normal nasal drop. I think even people have in their houses. So Otrivin nasal drop will give you immediate relief while flying.
but we can put
That's the same case. Alka Yagni case is on, and recently there is a Padma Shri singer, Dr. Shobha Raju. She is my client from Hyderabad, and she is not able to sing and get the notes for singing because of the hearing loss. See the problem to which extent this is affecting people. So that's the
Alka Yagnik went into complete depression.
earwax ka earbuds to clean it, because when you are using that earbud, you are pushing this inside. Again, there are 2-3 signs to take care of your health. You should get it cleaned by a proper ENT doctor if you want to get it cleaned. Don't come to audiologist to clean it because audiologists are not trained in cleaning the ear. आप लोगों ने बोला, but I said I will not do it. Go to any ENT doctor and get it done because they are the professional. I only do things in which I am, I have studied it and I am efficient. I am good with hearing it. I am good with hearing checkups. I will guide you properly on that. All these things. Tell them to reach out to me for hearing aids or hearing checkup or a right consultation. Again, what I said, half of them are not a professional audiologist. Thank you so much. That was my time. That was my society. We are also open for that.
So you said that
And answer the question, but we have 1, 2, 3 we have to complete.
Question
So we will do
answers.
that question answers also we will do. So in proteins where you have all dals, oranges, all these different yellow kinds of foods. Papaya for protein. Then white is for calcium. So you have milk, you have dahi, you have coconut. This is good for the bones.
white
And
eggs, egg whites.
Egg whites is excellent. Egg whites. And then you have green. Green is the green leafy vegetables.
Palak and all.
Yes, the bhajis. And in fact, if you have limbu or amla with the bhajis, it helps absorb the iron better in the body.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. But when you have vitamin C with the green vegetables, the body absorbs iron. We have seen in the villages, people, they may be malnutrition, but their hemoglobin levels are fantastic because they have amla with their bhaji or they put limbu with their food and they grow fresh vegetables. So fresh vegetables, and in Ayurveda the thing is what is available in your area. Abhi we are importing food from China, from Spain, from local is suited to the climate and to you, and seasonal. Abhi season mango
Yes,
ka hai, mango ka
mango.
khao. People keep mango in deep freeze and then they have it after 6 months.
Yeah.
It's okay, but seasonal foods and local foods are the best. So look after your health, look after your nutrition, and of course look after your body, for which you can do simple yoga. I'm also a yoga teacher, but today I'm going to give it to her. But we have lots of programs, like I said, in case.
है ना, अगर किसी का हेयर लॉस होने वाला है, अगर ये प्रैक्टिस आज से शुरू कर दे तो वो रुक सकता है, बट जिनका हो चुका है प्लीज गो फॉर जो है आपका हेयरिंग मशीन के लिए जाना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो मेरा नाम श्वेता कुमारी यादव है, मैं एक इंटरनेशनल योग टीचर हूँ एंड सेलिब्रिटीज को टीच करती हूँ यहाँ पे योग। इसके साथ साथ along with yoga I am an acupressure and medical therapist also. So different disease के लिए, different issue के लिए मैं acupressure and medical भी points देती हूँ। उसके अलावा I am art shaping teacher. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग, है ना? तो मैं आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के कोर्सेज भी टीच करती हूँ, ठीक है। तो अभी हम जो करने वाले सेशन में योग प्रैक्टिस, बेसिकली हम जानते हैं, देखिए 2 नर्वस सिस्टम है, एक सिंपैथेटिक एक पैरासिम्पैथेटिक, यू ऑल नो। हाँ, तो क्या होता है ऑलवेज ना, हमारा जो जीवन शैली है आजकल फूड से, जैसे सर ने और दीपिका दी ने बताया आप लोगों को कि हमारा जो वातावरण है आजकल, फूड हो गया, फैमिली हो गया, एनवायरनमेंट हो गया, सब कुछ पता है किधर हमें आगे बढ़ाती है, सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम को ही एक्टिवेट कर रही है वो। योग का पर्पस होता है पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम को एक्टिव करना। अगर पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम एक्टिव है तो आपके बॉडी में किसी भी प्रकार का विकार नहीं आ सकता, जल्दी आ ही नहीं सकता।